Is there a dentist that actually takes payments that lives near you? Yeah, there definitely probably is. I will tell you this though, it's probably getting a lot less as time goes by. And why is that? It's because dentistry is very expensive to actually deliver. And let's face it, a lot of people don't have the budget or actually budget for the dental care that they may need or what they may want. And so what happens is those in the past who actually have you know given that service to patients to pay over time, whether a monthly credit card fee or whatever it may be, have been burned severely. Um, some people come in and do a lot of work, and even with the third party services, and within a day or two, they'll call say, hey, they want to cancel it, and then there goes all that money. And so a lot of time and money is actually wasted. So that's why it's fewer and fewer for people to be extended payment options that take monthly payments. And the only real way to really get monthly payments for the most part for extended amount of time are with these third parties where you're going to be paying interest or depending on your credit, maybe some interest-free options there. Those are really the only ways to do it. Not so much an in-house type of plan where you can extend it out over a period of time directly with that dental office. Unfortunately, that's the way it goes, and it's kind of sad to see when people need the care and you can't offer them those terms. However, if you were to offer that for everybody, you won't be able to offer for anybody. There you go. There's your answer.